Hello guys and happy new year. In this video we will make a quick unboxing and I will give you my first impressions about the new JBL Partybox On-The-Go 2. So let's see what we have in the box. This looks new, and when I mean new, it looks very good. Look at it. It really looks like a new model. So I really like the new design. So inside of the box we have the new JBL Partybox On-The-Go 2, and inside the box we have the strap. That it looks very good. It has the can opener. Let's mount it. This is a good strap because it will not hurt your shoulder for long periods of time. And of course it comes with the new wireless microphone, the manuals that no one reads, the strap for the microphone, and the power cable. Of course it has a power cable inside of the box, but inside of the speaker on the back, let me show you. Here it has an internal battery that will last up to 15 hours of playing time. So it is not much, but it is a good time period for a party outdoors. So let's take a closer look. First, let's turn on the speaker. So at first sight we see that it has lights on the woofers, it has lights on the top part, on the bottom part, and here are some LEDs for the stroboscope. Of course it has the new logo, and compared to the JBL Partybox On-The-Go Essential, it is the exactly same logo. Let's see if we can leave the here the LEDs on because it looks much better. We see here that it has the Aura Cat multi-connection button, that is a very good plus. It comes with the bass boost activated on the first level, so on the bass. It has the play and stop button, and of course the volume. I really love that you can see the volume of the speaker. It comes with the button that changes the lights, and of course it comes with the wireless microphone. Hello, please subscribe. I will make some tests with it, but I hope it will not be as bad as the old JBL microphones. We see here that it has a new design on the sides. Look at the previous models. So it has a more rounded design. I really love that it has the battery that you can take out from here. It's not big, but it is not that small. 15 hours of playing time at 30 or 40% of the volume. In my opinion, it is a good. It has the USB-C for charging, the aux in, and of course the place where you can charge the speaker. It has this cool on-the-go strap too. It looks premium, so all the speaker looks premium. Now let's talk about the construction inside. It has the same 5.25 inch woofers, and it has two tweeters. Of course, in my opinion, I will say that it has, if you look between this grill, it has the new tweeters. It doesn't have the old tweeters as the JBL Partybox On-The-Go Essential or as the JBL Partybox 710. Of course it has here the volume for the microphone and the and some equalizer, and of course it has a new thing. You can connect to the JBL Partybox app and you can adjust from there some settings. So let's connect the JBL Partybox On-The-Go 2 with the smartphone and see the settings in the JBL Partybox OTG2 connecting. Okay, now it is connected. Let's go to the JBL Partybox app. It comes in the box with 97% of the battery. It needs a software update, light control, freeze, multiple lights, multiple colors, but I am very pitch shifter. I don't know what, probably this is a new thing. I don't know what it is. Top panel settings. The light show. You can choose to show or hide light show on device. Only the show ones can be toggled through the light knob on your speaker. Okay, so between this. And of course I want to see the equalizer. Custom, edit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines of equalizer. So it is pretty good. I will leave it on JBL signature. I will leave it on deep bass. Of course I will make the software upgrade and I will play a song. Performance improvement. Okay, we will upgrade the speaker, and after that we will gonna make a sound test, of course at 30% of the volume, at 50, at 75, and at maximum volume, because I am very curious if this will have some distorts. Of course I can really recommend you to use every speaker that you have only at 80% of the volume max, because over 80% the sound will be not that great. So this is the new JBL Partybox OTG2, and this is the JBL Partybox On-The-Go Essential. It has all the equalizer for the microphone or the guitar. It has all the buttons. As you see, it doesn't have this new design, and of course it doesn't have the Aura case multi-connection speaker, and even the strap, it looks much better on the new JBL Partybox On-The-Go 2, as you see here. So we have another 12 minutes to wait for the update to kick in, and then I will give you the sound test. So we've done the update, and everything in the app looks the same. Connect a stereo pair, connect to previous models. So it supports the JBL Partybox 110, 310, 710 Encore and the Encore Essential. So it is very cool that we can connect the JBL Partybox On-The-Go 2 with the JBL Partybox Encore Essential or with the Encore. Of course we can connect with the Encore 2 or every JBL speaker that has Aura cast, but we can connect with older models, and for me this is a very big plus. Now let's see how it will sound, because the sound, it is the most important thing. Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel
like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant, I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, I'll get my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose, if it's some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world?
And that was the sound test, and it was very interesting. And that was the sound test with the JBL Partybox On-The-Go 2, the new model released at the end of the year 2025. This is the first model from JBL that it sounds much better when the second level of bass boost is activated. So on punchy bass, on deep bass sounds good, but it's not impressive. But with the bass boost activated on the second level, it sounds very good. Of course, at 30, at 50, at 70, and at 100%, it sounds very good. But of course, I will not go over 75 to 80% of the volume, because after that only the highs increase and not the bass, and the sound will be not that balanced. Of course, I really love how it looks with the LED on top and on the bottom. I really love that it has this stroboscope here, and it has lights on the 5.25 inch woofer. Of course, it has the same 100 watts of power, so probably when we will make a cross comparison review between the JBL Partybox On-The-Go 2 versus the JBL Partybox On-The-Go Essential versus the JBL Partybox Core 2, probably they will sound almost the same, but I will make the cross comparison because probably to software integration one will sound better. But as design and as features, the new JBL Partybox On-The-Go 2, it is very good. It has the Aura case, it has the lights, it has the removable battery, that is a big plus. It has the new JBL microphone. Please subscribe. Yes, I will buy this. Of course, this cost me around $300 in my opinion, because it comes with an internal microphone in the box. It is a good price, and the only thing that I don't like about it, is that it is not fully waterproof. It has only IPX4. That means you can leave it in a light rain, but you cannot fully submerge it in water, similar with the JBL Boombox 3 or the JBL Extreme 4. So I will definitely recommend it. It has bass, it has loudness, it has intensity, it has internal battery, it has Aura case. You can connect it with previous models. That is a big plus, and thank you JBL, because you made this possible for us, because it is much cooler to have two speakers on the sides of the TV that will give us sound even if it's not stereo. So yes, $300, I like it. And I'm very curious, what do you think about this video, and which videos do you want to do next? Till then, feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers.